Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to delete the temp files or the temp folder files in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and search for this folder %temp% and hit enter, or you can try go to the start menu, type run and hit enter, and in this command box type %temp%. One moment, zoom in, %temp% and click on OK, and you can show this folder. I select all folders and files in this temp folder, right click and select delete and confirm and check or mark this option. You do this for all current items and click on OK or continue, and this folder is empty. This is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.